Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files together. So I've downloaded two PDF example files off of the internet from various websites because I'm not a PDF collector, and even if I do have PDF files, they're filled with personal information that I don't want to show you guys. So I had to download the samples. But to start off, you need to install the PDF Mix tool. Now the best way to do this is just through the Flatpak. So why don't we get a terminal open and copy the command in the article here to get it installed. Now I already have it installed, so I can look up PDF Mix tool and open it up. Now from here I need to click the Add PDF File button, go to my desktop, and I can hold Control and select both PDFs and then click Open. Now there's not a limit to how many PDFs. You can do as many as you want. Now from here I can right click on any of them and click Edit. I can call this one PDF 1, and I can go to this one and go PDF 2. Now depending on how I want it to appear in the merge, I can go up or down, or whatever, doesn't really matter. And you can also edit other things like the rotation if you want one to be 180 degrees or 270 degrees, and maybe you want one to be 90 degrees. You can do that, and once you're all done, you can click Generate PDF. And we click on the desktop, newly created PDF. Click Save. It's going to output our new PDF, and then we can open it up, and as we see, our new PDF is here, and we've got both of them in the same file. It's really that easy, and you can go through, you can look at your PDFs, and this one's got 3 pages, 4 pages. That's how that works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very quick, but just a simple guide on how to merge your PDFs on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.